In today's video, we will guide you through step 3 of signing into your new Moneo Cloud instance. So let's get started. Once the instance is turned to an active status, an email will be sent to the admin user that you defined earlier in the initial setup of the Moneo Cloud instance. The admin user will receive a Welcome to Moneo email that will contain a summary of the instance details. Click the sign up icon to be taken to the initial account creation of your instance. As the admin user, enter your first name, last name, password, and confirm your password. Agree to the license terms and select Sign Up. You will now be redirected to the login page of your instance. Enter your new email and password, then click Login. Congratulations! You have now successfully created your first Moneo Cloud instance. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.